To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Dear students, in the series of tenses, today I am taking your future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, Hindi words रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे are found at the end of sentences. In this tense, we use helping verb shall be with I and we and will be with all other subjects. We also add ing in the first form of the main verb. Now I am taking your sentences. There will be the series of 6 sentences. First one, that is positive. Second, negative. Third, interrogative. Fourth one, also interrogative. Fifth, interrogative and negative. And sixth one, also interrogative and negative. I am taking your now first sentence. And first sentence is Raman will be solving the paper. Positive. Raman will not be solving the paper. Negative. Will Raman be solving the paper? Interrogative. Why will Raman be solving the paper? Interrogative. Will Raman not be solving the paper? Interrogative and negative. Why will Raman not be solving the paper? Interrogative and negative. Like this, I am taking your 5 more sentences. Next one, Rita will be trying the sums. Rita will not be trying the sums. Will Rita be trying the sums? Why will Rita be trying the sums? Will Rita not be trying the sums? Why will Rita not be trying the sums? Next sentence. The boys will be playing hockey. The boys will not be playing hockey. Will the boys be playing hockey? Why will the boys be playing hockey? Will the boys not be playing hockey? Why will the boys not be playing hockey? Next one. She will be dancing. She will not be dancing. Will she be dancing? Why will she be dancing? Will she not be dancing? Why will she not be dancing? Next, Mohan will be reading the Ramayana. Mohan will not be reading the Ramayana. Will Mohan be reading the Ramayana? Why will Mohan be reading the Ramayana? Will Mohan not be reading the Ramayana? Why will Mohan not be reading the Ramayana? Next one, last one. The gardener will be watering the plants. The gardener will not be watering the plants. Will the gardener be watering the plants? Why will the gardener be watering the plants? Will the gardener not be watering the plants? Why will the gardener not be watering the plants? Now I am taking your next, that is your shall be. The sentence containing helping verb shall be. And shall be is used with I and we. I am taking your sentence. I shall be studying. Positive. I shall not be studying. Negative. Shall I be studying? Interrogative. Why shall I be studying? Interrogative. Shall I not be studying? Interrogative and negative. Why shall I not be studying? Interrogative and negative. Now I am taking your 5 more sentences where there will be use of shall be. We shall be working. We shall not be working. Shall we be working? Why shall we be working? Shall we not be working? Why shall we not be working? Next, I shall be visiting the Taj. I shall not be visiting the Taj. Shall I be visiting the Taj? Why shall I be visiting the Taj? Shall I not be visiting the Taj? Why shall I not be visiting the Taj? Next, I shall be taking exercise. I shall not be taking exercise. Shall I be taking exercise? Why shall I be taking exercise? Shall I not be taking exercise? Why shall I not be taking exercise? Next, I shall be walking. I shall not be walking. Shall I be walking? Why shall I be walking? Shall I not be walking? Why shall I not be walking? And the last one, that is also containing shall be. We shall be singing a song. We shall not be singing a song. Shall we be singing a song? Why shall we be singing a song? Shall we not be singing a song? Why shall we not be singing a song? Actually, these are the sentences containing use of shall be. And now I have taken this future continuous tense. In this future continuous tense, Mr. Naveen Vasist, he has cooperated a lot in making this video. If you listen this video again and again, I hope you will get perfection in future continuous tense. I say thank you to you all. Thank you very much.